Hi, so what's your name?
I'm Edward.
Edward who?
Edward Cullen.
Why? Why do you want to be a boy?
I'm not allowed to say the word on TV.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, well, yeah. Anyway, you have anything to say about your fellow cast members?
I want to eat Bella. Really bad.
Okay.
It smells good. But she put a restraining order on me.
I can see why. You don't say anything to general peoples that are watching this?
If you know a person who'd like kidnap Bella for me, like, you're high, right?
Hi.
If you like kidnap Bella for me,
Hi.
smells so good.
Hi.
Eat her. If you do it, I'll give you a kiss.
Hi.
Isn't
But
he like
everybody wants to kiss me.